Imagine a time when watching TV across continents was impossible. When a live phone call from New York to London was a dream, science fiction, almost. But in the summer of 1962, a shiny little satellite named Telstar 1 changed the world forever. Let's rewind to the launch that made the modern world possible. Cape Canaveral, Florida. A sleek, faceted satellite, just 34 inches in diameter and weighing about 170 pounds, is perched atop a Thor Delta rocket. Its name? Telstar 1. At 3:35 a.m. EDT, it roars into the sky. Just 20 minutes later, Telstar settles into orbit. Mission control cheers. The world? Still holding its breath. The very next day, on July 11, 1962, Telstar made history, beaming the first ever live television transmission between the United States and Europe. People across France, the UK, and parts of the US watched as a blurry but magical image appeared. An American flag waving, a glimpse of the Eiffel Tower, a baseball game, and even a live press conference by President John F. Kennedy. Think about it. No internet. No fiber optics. No satellites capable of sending real-time pictures across oceans, until that moment. And suddenly, the world felt smaller. Closer. Telstar wasn't just a shiny ball in space, it was a masterpiece of Cold War-era engineering. It orbited Earth every 2.5 hours, passing over the Atlantic Ocean. It could only transmit signals for about 20 minutes per orbit, but that was enough to prove the concept worked. Powered by 3,600 tiny solar panels, Telstar was truly ahead of its time. It was built by Bell Telephone Laboratories, funded by AT&T, and supported by NASA. Even European agencies like the BBC and France's national broadcaster were involved. It was a global team effort for a global achievement. Telstar 1 only operated for about 7 months before solar radiation damaged its electronics, thanks to a U.S. nuclear test in space called Starfish Prime. But its impact? Timeless. Today, there are thousands of communication satellites orbiting Earth, handling everything from GPS and weather to internet and TV. But Telstar was the first, the spark that ignited a communications revolution. In a world where we FaceTime across continents, livestream concerts, and watch breaking news from halfway around the globe, it's easy to forget. It all started with Telstar 1, a little metal orb launched in 1962, floating over the Atlantic, whispering across oceans, and shrinking the world forever. Sometimes the biggest revolutions come from the smallest packages. If you found this story inspiring, hit that like button, subscribe for more moments that shaped our world, and let us know. What tech milestone do you think changed the world the most?